Good morning students. Today we will study class 7th exercise 12a. In our last class we have discussed up to question number 20 and now today we will discuss question number 21. The question number 21 is given a sum of money. Here the question number 21 is given a sum of money becomes 8 upon 5 of itself in 5 years at a certain rate of simple interest. Find the rate of interest. In this question it means that कुछ मनी का अमाउंट जो है वो 8 upon 5 of itself in 5 years में इंक्रीज होता है. तो we have to find the rate of interest in this question. We have to what we have to find? We have to find rate of interest. Okay, so first of all question number 21, let the sum be x. हम सम को क्या लेंगे? लेट द सम बी रुपीज एक्स. हमने सम को ले लिया है रुपीज एक्स. सो अमाउंट इज गिवन टू यू. अमाउंट हैज बीन गिवन. अमाउंट हो जाएगा आपका 8x अपॉन 5. ओके, अमाउंट विल बी 8x अपॉन 5. नाउ द फॉर्मूला ऑफ SI, it means that simple interest. SI equals to amount minus principal. Okay, you have to do minus here. Amount minus principal. Amount is your 8x upon 5 and minus principal is your x upon 1. So when you solve this 8x minus 5x, it will be your 8 minus 5 will be 3x upon 5. Okay, it is, so the SI will be 3x upon 5. Now what we have to find in this question? We have to find the rate of interest. So let the rate be R percent, capital R and after that percent. हमने rate को क्या मान लिया है? R percent. So SI equals to principal into rate into time upon 100. Okay, SI equals to P into R into T upon 100. SI is given to you. SI है आपका 3x upon 5 equals to, after that equal to sign is here, principal into rate into time. Principal is x here and rate is your R and time is given to you 5 upon 100. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 20 ja 100. So 3x upon 5 equals to x into R upon 20. It will we will do here cross multiplication. So R equals to 3 into x into 20 upon what is left here? 5 into x. X into 5 or 5. X से x cancel. 5 1 ja 5, 5 4 ja 20. So R equals to 3 into 4 equals to 4 3 ja 12. It means the rate of interest is your 12%. This is your answer. The rate of interest is your 12%. So what we have to do in this question? Let me repeat once again. Let the sum be rupees x. हमने sum को x ले लिया है. After that the amount is given to you in the question. The amount, a sum of money becomes 8 upon 5. So amount will be 8x upon 5. The formula of SI equals to amount minus principal equals to 8x upon 5 minus x upon 1. When you solve this by taking LCM of 5, 3x upon 5 will come here. After that let the rate be R percent. We have taken rate equals to R percent. So SI equals to principal into rate into time upon 100. SI is given to you 3x upon 5. After that principal is x, rate is your R, we have taken here, and time is of 5 years upon 100. Cancel out this. R equals to, this will upside 3 into x into 20 upon x multiplied by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 4 ja 20. Okay, what is left here? 3 and 4. X and x should be cancelled. So R equals to 12%. The rate of interest is your 12%. Now what is question number 22 is same as according to 21. I am mentioning here homework. Homework is your question number 22. Okay, question number 22 is your homework. It is same as comparison of question number 21. So now we will discuss question number 23. Question number 23. 23, the question is given to you. A sum of money. Question number 23. A sum of money lent at simple interest amount to rupees 4,745 in 3 years and to rupees 5,475 in 5 years. Find the sum and the rate percent per annum. We have to find the sum and the rate percent per annum in this question. So question number 21, amount in 5 years. First of all, you have to write amount in 5 years. 5 years में आपका अमाउंट कितना है? प्रिंसिपल प्लस SI फॉर 5 years. ओके, इक्वल्स टू प्रिंसिपल प्लस SI फॉर 5 years is given to you. आपको दे रखा है, it is 5,475. It is given in the question 5,000 rupees. 5,475 is given to you. After that, amount in 3 years equals to principal plus SI for 3 years. It is given to you rupees 4,745. 4,745 is given. Now on subtracting अब हमें क्या करना है? सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. ऑन सब्ट्रैक्टिंग SI for 2 years. SI for 2 years. SI for 2 years. What we have to do here? SI for 5 year minus 3 year will become your 2 year. It means 5,475 minus 4,745. You can minus here 5,475. Your answer will be rupees 730. It will be your answer, rupees 730. Now SI for 3 years. Simple interest for 3 years. What we have to do? Simple interest for 3 years. Now 730 upon 2 multiply by 3. Because 3 is time, 730 SI for 2 years. Okay. After that, now what is your, when you cancel out this, it will become rupees 1,000. It will be 2. When you cancel out this, it will be your 1,095. 1,095 rupees. 1,095. Now what we have to do? Now sum equals to amount for 3 years minus SI for 2 years. Amount for 3 years minus SI for 2 years. What is the amount for 3 years? 4,745. 4,745 minus what is the SI for 2 years? SI for 2 years. Sorry, it will not SI for 2 years. It will be SI for 3 years. Okay. SI for 3 years is given to you. We have find out 1,095. When you minus this, it will be your rupees 3,650. When you minus this, 3,650. Now what we have, I am rubbing this. Now your principal is your rupees 3,650. We have find just now. After that, SI equals to SI is your rupees 1,095. After that, the time is your 3 year. Time is your 3 years. Okay, now what you have to find, we have to find rate of interest. So R equals to rate of interest equals to SI into 100 upon P into principal into time. So SI is 1095 multiplied by 100 upon principal is 3650 multiplied by 3, 0 से 0 cancel beta. After that, when you solve all this, your answer will be 10%. The rate is here 10%. This is your answer. The rate will be your 10%. Now question number 22 is as compare of question number 23 and 21. You can solve it. After that, now we will discuss question number 24. The question number 24 is given. It is slightly different question. Question number 24. Question number 24. Question number 24 is given. Divide rupees 3000 into two parts such that the simple interest on the first part for 4 years at 8% per annum is equal to the simple interest on the second part for 2 years at 9% per annum. What we have to, in this question it is given that the amount for divide 3000 into two part, 3000 को two parts में divide करना है such that the simple interest SI for first 4 years is 8% per annum is equal to the SI simple interest for second part for 2 years at 9% per annum. Okay, so what we have to do, first of all we have to take the first part. Let the first part be x. हमने फर्स्ट पार्ट को क्या ले लिया, x ले लिया. इट विल बी योर रुपीज x, बी रुपीज x. आफ्टर दैट द सेकेंड पार्ट, नाउ सेकेंड पार्ट विल बी योर 3000 minus x. Okay, 3000 minus x. Now what we have to do, SI simple interest on x percent is given to you 8% is given to at 8% per annum. It is given to you 8% per annum for 4 years. For 4 years. It is given to you for 4 years. Now what we have to find, it is principal, it is given है हमारे पास में, rate of interest given है, time भी given है. So SI equals to P into R into T upon 100, principal into rate into time upon 100. Okay, 4 1 is 4, 4 25 is 100. It will be your 8x upon 25. The interest SI is your 8x upon 25. Now SI on 3000 minus x at 9% per annum. SI on 3000 minus x on 9% per annum. 9% per annum. We have to find for 2 years. The time is given here for 2 years. For 2 years. So what we will do here, 3000 minus x first, multiply by 9, multiply by 2 upon 100. Okay, solve this. 50 here. After that, 9 3s are 27, 27,000 minus 9x upon 50. Okay, 27,000 minus 9x upon 50. What we have to do, we have to compare now 8x upon 25 equals to 27,000 minus x upon 50. So 8x upon 25 equals to 27,000 minus 9x upon 50. What we have to do, we have to cross multiply here. Okay, आपको यहाँ पे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन करना है, so that 8x it will be your 8x upon 25 equals to 27,000 minus 9x upon 50. After that 8x equals to 27,000. Don't do multiply here, cross multiplication, simply solve this. 8x equals to 27,000 minus 9x multiply by 25 upon 50. 25 1 is 25, 25 2 is 50. Now you can do cross multiplication. It will be easier to you. Let me rub this. It is 8x upon 1 cross multiplication. After that it will be 16x equals to 27,000 minus 9x. 16x equals to 27,000 minus 9x. Now 16x plus 9x equals to 27,000. When you plus 16, it will be 25x equals to 27,000. After that x equals to 27,000 upon 25. So when you solve this, it will be your 1080. आपको जब सॉल्व करेंगे, इसको कैंसिल आउट करेंगे, आपका आंसर आएगा 1080. नाउ द फर्स्ट पार्ट इज 1080. सेकेंड पार्ट विल बी योर 3000 minus 1080. When you minus this 3010, it will be your 1920 rupees. Okay, first part is your rupees 1080, second part is your rupees 1920. Rupees should be in front. Okay, this is your question number 24. Now the homework is your question number 25. You have to do it is same as compared to question number 24. Your exercise, your chapter number 12 has been completed. In our next class we will discuss chapter number 13. Thank you and have a nice day.